Hello students, see NCERT textbook example problem 13.1. A current through a horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. Okay, a horizontal power line. In this power line, current flowing in east to west direction. So current direction is east to west direction. What is the direction of magnetic field at a point directly below it and at a point directly above it? So find the magnetic field direction at a point of the wire above and below. This is the north direction, this is the south direction, this is the west direction, this is the east direction. So horizontal power line flows in east to west direction. So this is a power line. So current flows from east to west direction. So direction of the current is this direction. Okay. In this situation, what is the direction of the magnetic field above the wire and below the wire? Above the wire is this point, below the wire at this point. At this point, what is the direction of the magnetic field? How do you find the direction of the magnetic field for horizontal power line? By using the right hand thumb rule. This is my right hand. I am holding this horizontal power line. So this thumb finger shows the direction of the current. So current flows from east to west direction. So this is the direction of the current. So this thumb finger shows the direction of the current. What about the remaining fingers? Remaining fingers shows the direction of the magnetic field. Here I am taking below the wire, below the wire. So here point is below the wire. So at this point, below the wire, at this point, magnetic field lines are coming from south to north direction. So here south, this is the north, south to north direction. Suppose you will take the above the point of the line from this point. So this point magnetic field lines north to south direction. Below the point south to north direction, above the point north to south direction. According to right hand thumb rule, the current flowing in horizontal power line is east to west direction. At this current direction, at point directly above it. Okay, at the point, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Here point is above the horizontal power line. So this is the point. In this situation, what is the direction of the magnetic field direction? North to south direction. This is the a point above the horizontal power line. So this, according to this point, the magnetic field direction is north to south direction. So the magnetic field from north to south direction or we can say that this point is towards the north or towards north direction. This is above the point of horizontal power line. Now below the point of horizontal power line, at a point below, this is the below point of the horizontal power line. At this point, what is the direction of the magnetic field direction? South to north direction, south to north direction, or we can say that towards the south direction, south to north direction or towards the south direction. But above the point of horizontal power line, north to south direction towards the north. So below the point, the direction of the magnetic field is south to north direction or towards the south. The magnetic field from south to north direction, or we can say that towards south direction. That is the answer. Next topic, electromagnet. Electromagnet. Electro means current. When a current is passing through a conductor, then the conductor behaves a magnet. That is the meaning of the electromagnet. Now, what is meant by electromagnet? I am taking a conductor. This is a solenoid. Okay, this is a solenoid. This is a conductor. For example, I am taking, this is a soft iron core. When you inserted this soft iron core into solenoid, okay, this is called electromagnet. When you inserted soft iron core into solenoid, then it behaves as a electromagnet. The definition of the electromagnet is, if soft iron core of a solenoid, if soft iron core of a solenoid is named as the electromagnet. Okay, are you understand? The soft iron core of solenoid is called electromagnet. If soft iron core of solenoid is called electromagnet. This is a solenoid. When you inserted soft iron core into the solenoid, it behaves as a electromagnet. This solenoid is connected to battery. Then what happened? The current I flows into solenoid. In that situation, produces magnetic field. That is a strong magnetic field, because this is a magnet. The solenoid is also a magnet. When these two magnets are combined, it produces powerful magnetic field. When the current is passed in wire of electromagnet, The soft iron core works as a magnet. This is the first point in electromagnet. When current is passed in a wire means a solenoid of a electromagnet. In the electromagnet, soft iron rod is present. This soft iron rod behaves as a magnet. When current is passed in the wire, then only the soft iron rod is behaves like a magnet. Next point, the magnetic field of core iron and solenoid are added, so it produces very strong magnetic field. Because here core iron has some magnetic field, solenoid has also some magnetic field. These two are combined to form a strong magnetic field. Next point, the magnetic field is produced in electromagnet, that is depending on current flowing in the electromagnet. If for example from the battery you are supplying current to the solenoid, if suppose here current is increases, what happened in the solenoid, production of magnetic field is increases. If you decrease the current in the solenoid, what happened, the magnetic field is also decreases, and also iron core magnetic field also decreases, because this iron core has magnetic field produced by current only. So that's why if current is increases, magnetic field production is also increases. If you decrease the current in solenoid, then production of magnetic field is also decreases. So production of magnetic field depending on current flowing in electromagnet. The magnetic field produced in electromagnet is depending on current flows in solenoid. This solenoid is depending on the number of turns per unit length. The solenoid is depending on number of turns per unit length. If suppose number of turns per unit length is increases, then strength of the solenoid is also increases, and number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length. Next point, electromagnet can be made by soft iron core keeping inside of solenoid. Have you made the electromagnet? Soft iron core is keeping inside the solenoid, then that is called electromagnet. Next point, Uses of the electromagnet. These electromagnets are generally produce the high magnetic field. This high magnetic field is used in magnetic trains, magnetic cranes. This is about electromagnet.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.